Snacking is more than just a pastime in America. It's a way of life, consuming a mountain of calories. With snacks now equivalent to a fourth meal, many are falling victim to poor nutritional choices. Every day, consumers are bombarded with snack food options, but most are just unhealthy sugar bombs. When cravings hit, indulging in snacks could be a necessity to fuel your body or workouts. However, unhealthy options like sugary treats can lead to higher BMI and visceral fat accumulation. A recent study reveals unhealthy snacking undermines even the best intentions of nutritious meal choices. Fortunately, snacking done right can significantly contribute to your protein, fiber, and vitamin intake. There lies a potential for positivity within snacking, a way to meet daily nutritional needs creatively. But how do you make a wise choice in a sea of snack options? Here's a guide. Seek snacks with little or no added sugars, as many options are packed with hidden sweeteners. Look for snacks that provide 5 grams or more of protein. It's vital for muscle maintenance. Keeping caloric intake for snacks under 250 ensures they won't replace your nutritious meals. Finding snacks rich in fiber, ideally 3 grams, can enhance fullness and support gut health. Incorporating fruits and veggies into your snacks can infuse essential nutrients into your diet. Whole grain snacks are preferable over refined options, boosting fiber and nutrient content significantly. Pick lower sodium snacks, aiming for less than 300 milligrams per serving for better heart health. Incorporating healthy fats from nuts and seeds promotes heart wellness, crucial for active lifestyles. Watch out for obscure ingredients. Familiarity in ingredients is a sign of nutritional integrity. Aim for a variety of snacks with healthy traits to create a balanced, enjoyable snacking routine. Elevate your snacking game while nourishing your body. Healthy snacking can be deliciously rewarding.